Is your LG OLED TV constantly disconnecting from Wi-Fi? Maybe apps stop loading, the internet randomly drops, or every time you turn on the TV it refuses to connect. Try these 3 fixes. If the first one doesn't solve it, move to fix 2 and fix 3. I'm pretty confident one of these will finally stop the issue. Let's get straight into it. Fix 1. First, I want you to check if your LG OLED is running the latest software version. I noticed that a lot of people were experiencing random Wi-Fi disconnects, especially after turning the TV on from standby mode. In many cases, this seemed to be linked to older software versions having minor software-related bugs. LG later released newer updates replacing previous versions, and listed them as fixes for minor software-related issues. Now LG doesn't always explain exactly what changed, but after installing the update, the Wi-Fi disconnecting issue simply stopped. Here's how to check. Go to Software Update and check for updates. If an update is available, install it and restart your TV. Fix 2. If updating didn't work, this next fix might. Some users found that HDMI devices, especially soundbars connected through HDMI eARC, can create handshake issues, causing random disconnects or glitches. Try this turn off the quick start, plus in settings. Disconnect your soundbar or HDMI devices temporarily. Restart the TV and test the Wi-Fi again. If the internet becomes stable, then one of your connected devices may be interfering with the connection. Fix 3. This one sounds strange, but it actually worked for a lot of people. If your router is sitting right behind or very close to the TV, electromagnetic interference can mess with the signal, even if the connection looks strong. Try moving your router at least 1 meter away and place it slightly higher if possible. Some users said this completely stopped Wi-Fi disconnecting issues, even after struggling for months. Try these fixes in order and let me know which one worked for you. And if your LG OLED is still disconnecting from Wi-Fi after all 3, drop your TV model in the comments. I'll try to help you out.